Hello everyone, welcome to Quantifiers. So in today's set of the day, we are going to discuss a very good set on conditional arrangement and a good reminder, gentle reminder that our crash course is going to start super soon. So if you are someone who need boost up in the score, or if you are feeling that you need a little mentorship and motivation, this is the right place for you. Now let's see what is the today's set all about. It says there are 10 RA and W agents who have finished their trainings and they are to be sent to different locations. They will be departed to Beijing, Cairo, Cape Town, Dubai, London, Moscow, New York, Paris, Sydney. So these are 10 locations. They have to be sent from Monday to Sunday. Okay. So there are 7 days and 10 flights. The departure timings of flights are 1 to 3 up to 10 p.m. ठीक है. And there are 3 days when there will be two flights, and Saturday and Sunday is not one of them. So basically Monday से Friday में there are 3 days in which there are two flights, and then there are 4 days in which there is only one flight. So the total number of flights are 10. Okay. The first flight will depart at 6 p.m. and the last one at 7 p.m. Okay. And also we know that the days on which two flights depart are not consecutive. So if I observe carefully that the days are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday they have already told us that two flights are not flying. And then they are telling us that the days on which two flights fly are not consecutive. वो इकट्ठे दिन में नहीं है. तो कहने से there is only one option that they are Monday, Wednesday, Friday, because इसके अलावा कोई भी दो दिन होंगे तो वो consecutive हो जाएंगे. सो मंडे वेडनेसडे फ्राइडे ये 3 दिन हैं जब दो दो फ्लाइट्स फ्लाई करेंगी, और बाकी 4 दिन सिर्फ एक एक फ्लाइट फ्लाई करेगी, राइट. सो दिस गिव्स अस अ वेरी गुड स्ट्रक्चर, राइट. दिस नाउ व्हाट आई हैव टू डू, आई हैव टू जस्ट डंप माय इंफॉर्मेशन एंड लेट्स सी कि मैं क्या क्या अरेंजमेंट बना सकता हूँ वहां से. सो द फर्स्ट फ्लाइट विल डिपार्ट एट 6 p.m. and the last flight will depart at 7 p.m. Okay. The flights to the two cities whose names start at the same alphabet will depart on the same day with a difference of 5 hours between them. That is Cairo and Cape Town. So between Cairo and Cape Town, there is a difference of 5 hours in any order. Right? Okay. This point is taken, this point is done. The flight to Moscow will depart at 9 p.m. on Friday. So 9 p.m. on Friday. So these can be any of the slots. तो मॉस्को यहाँ लिख लेते हैं हम. ठीक है. It is possible that this is 9 p.m. and this is 10 p.m., but very rare chances, so I am just writing it here. If need be, I'll change it. Okay. The days on which two flights are not consecutive, this is already taken care of. The flight to Paris will depart at 4. So Paris will depart at 4 and New York departs at 5. Okay. Okay. The flight to London will not depart on Monday. So London is not here. And Sydney is not the first flight to be departed. And Sydney is not here. Right? This is not Sydney. Okay. Now, the flight to Dubai will fly just before the flight to Cairo. So basically, this is Dubai, Cairo, and Cape Town in this order. Right? Okay. The flight to Toronto will depart before the flight to New York, but not before the flight to Paris. So basically, Toronto will come between them. टोरंटो न्यूयॉर्क से पहले है लेकिन पेरिस से बाद में है. फाइन. The flight departing at 1 p.m. will not be departing on Friday and Saturday. So 1 p.m. is not here. Sorry, Friday and Saturday. Okay. So there is a difference of 5 hours between them. What is the possibility we have? 1 and 6 is not possible because 6 तो यहाँ पे है. 2 and 7 is not possible because 7 is on Sunday. 3 and 8 p.m. is one possibility. 4 and 9 is not possible. 5 and 10 is not possible. So only possibility is 3 p.m. and 8 p.m. because 4 p.m. already Paris का है, 5 p.m. already New York का है. So and the only day left जहाँ पे मैं दो flights को accommodate कर सकता हूँ is Wednesday. And since Dubai is just before Cairo, which means Dubai is on Tuesday. So this must be Dubai, this must be Cairo, and this must be Cape Town. And what are the timings? The timings for Cairo would be 3 p.m. This would be 8 p.m. Now 1 p.m. is either here or here or here. So here it cannot be 1 p.m. right? 6 p.m. के बाद फ्लाइट जाएगी यहाँ पे. अगर यहाँ पे अगर 6 p.m. के बाद फ्लाइट आएगी, सेकंड फ्लाइट, तो कौन सी आएगी? See, 7 is already occupied, 8 is already occupied, 9 is already occupied, और 6 बजे के बाद एक फ्लाइट जाएगी मंडे को, तो that time must be 10 p.m. right? Okay. Now this is the arrangement left: Paris, Toronto, and New York. Now where can that be accommodated? See, New York cannot be here, right? So this is not New York, and then there are these only these three slots. So which means this must be Paris, right? Because Paris के लिए 4 p.m. है, वो यहाँ भी नहीं आ सकता, ध्यान रखोगे. So this must be Paris, this must be Toronto, and this must be New York, right? New York, this Paris is 4 p.m. New York is 5 p.m. and 1 p.m. is not here, so this must be 1 p.m. Then there is only one slot left, that is 2 p.m., which must be here. Now next, London is not flying on Monday, so flight to London is not going on Monday. So Monday के लिए, London के लिए there is only one place left, London. Now Sydney is not the first flight, and therefore there are only two places. If Sydney is not first, Sydney must be here. And if this is Sydney, then which state is left? Beijing is left. So Beijing must be here now, right? So this is the required answer in our case. Okay, so this completes my set. Let's see the questions. How many flights are scheduled between the departure of flight to Sydney and Paris? So Sydney and Paris. So there are one, two, three flights, right? Okay. Now, which flight is scheduled at 1 p.m.? Flight to Dubai. What is the difference in the time of departures of the two flights on Friday? On Friday, 2 p.m. and 9 p.m. So it is 7 hours. And the flights to which two city are the first and the last? So Beijing and London are the first and the last. So this completes my set. So I hope that everything is now crystal clear, and definitely this is not the end. So let's start our journey with the crash course. You can enroll by visiting www.quantifiers.in, or if you have any doubt, you can always text me. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.